Hey guys, welcome to another one of my videos. In this video, you're going to see how to solve this really interesting puzzle box. This one looks a little bit more odd than the ones that I usually do, mainly because that was random. Mainly because it has this lock bar there. It is Technic pieces, so you can't pull it out or anything, and your drawer is behind here. So how are you supposed to do this? Just can't shake it out or anything. It's weird. So the way to solve this thing, first, well, I'm gonna show you the way you're supposed to. Then I will show you the hack way. So back here, you have a little doodad there that takes and slides out. Now you got a hole. I'm gonna put the pieces down here so you can see them. Then the next step is over here. Press this in. This comes out, and you pull out this humongous bar. Then next step, back here, you got a little weird block shape that pushes out this little doodad. And because of that, it releases your bar, because the slots end up getting too spread apart, and then it just goes bump, falls out. Then you get your box. Oh wait, it's just a box. What is there? Oh, there's something on the back. What does this do? Whoa! That is where the treasure would be. So it is a little bit extra, a little extra step, so that way people think they're done, but they aren't. Okay. Well, yeah, so that's the puzzle box. This thing's pretty empty now. Lots of holes in it. But yeah. So now I'm going to reassemble this and show you the cheat way. Okay. Now, the cheat way of doing it. Ta-da! Yeah, you just break the bar in half. So yeah, that is my latest puzzle box. And it is a little interesting to reassemble. Ta-da! Okay. Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, please hit the like button, and as it helps with my channel, and then also subscribe to my channel down here, so that way you can get updated on new videos that I get. And then also leave any comments down in the comment section below that you would feel like maybe a video that you'd want me to do. Yeah, so thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.